Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a cordial, more receptive type of digital money that could arrive at clients put off by the chilly intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a famous web image, History of Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the cryptographic money market as expansion as opposed to deflationary digital currency. Bitcoin and numerous other digital forms of money are figured out to the point that they have a hard stock cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin's cost has enormous potential, with the sort of distinction rising. Dogecoin's presence is huge contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no exceptional preparation. Amicable to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Sacking your Dogecoin is currently simple. Thus, utilization of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the ubiquity and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This computerized cash's dynamic and ardent worth wins around a quality of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most elevated level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. Dogecoin specialized examination. In spite of the historical backdrop of tempests and typhoons in the digital money market, there is a fair future. In any case, nothing can be sure in the digital money space, and that is the point at which our digital money cost estimate comes into the image. Dogecoin's complete market cap is exchanging around $10,795,171,570 and is presently the 8th greatest computerized cash on the planet. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin is around 8 cents, with an exchanging volume of $354,383,286. The ongoing stockpile is at 132,670,764,300 Doge, while the complete coursing supply is 132,670,764,300. The general cryptographic money market capitalization has denoted a huge change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ATH, it denoted a huge fall over the long haul. Nonetheless, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have stamped uncommon changes as of late. The Doge cost developed over 100% in 7 days. The Doge's cost destitute the quick opposition with no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the critical opposition of 16 cents, however fizzled. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin value began to exchange underneath the opposition. Specialized pointers propose that the image coin needs a purchaser's help to start the positive excursion once more. Will VON 14.6 overhaul impact Doge's cost? As per our investigation and Doge forecasts, the cost of Doge might not have an exceptionally impressive impact because of the VON 14.6 redesign. The update certainly has gotten a great deal of enhancements its organization and environment, yet the cost remained in a similar reach as it was before. As of late, the cost saw an enormous ascent. However, that was more a direct result of Elon Musk's help for Twitter and his Twitter takeover. The vast majority of the redesigns in the organization or biological system can impact the cost for the present moment and not the long haul. The most that influence the Doge's cost are the market opinions and the most recent news. Will Doge support the ascent? Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on different events. Elon Musk's persistent help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been gainful to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter, and without a doubt, financial backer opinion viewing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk declared that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. As indicated by the investigation, Doge's cost will maintain in the event that the hypotheses work out. Dogecoin came to 11 cents, just with hypotheses. It will become one of the most outstanding crypto resources. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2022. In view of the Doge cost expectation, the base, greatest, and normal costs are supposed to be 6 cents, 12 cents, and 10 cents, separately, considering any remaining elements being steady. In 2022, the general value change may be dramatic, according to our Dogecoin cost forecasts. Dogecoin Forecast 2023. According to the market opinion and future cost activity, the most extreme expected Doge cost may be around 25 cents, while the typical cost may be 19 cents, and the base cost may be 12 cents in view of our cost forecast. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of 2022. Dogecoin Expectations 2024. According to the Doge Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, the typical cost may be 23 cents in 2024, while Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 18 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a most extreme and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents, while the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2026. As indicated by the Dogecoin cost expectation, it might hit a most extreme cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. An enormous convention is normal in Dogecoin's cost consistently. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2027. As per our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which additionally is the most extreme worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents. Going against the norm, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2028. Indeed, even in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin cost expectations, the coin could arrive at the greatest worth of 57 cents, with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2029. Our Doge cost expectation uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the most minimal conceivable cost while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2029, while the typical cost for the year perhaps 55 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030. In view of our Dogecoin cost forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the greatest and least costs of 71 cents and 55 cents. The typical cost might be around 63 cents, with a fair rate change for the year 2030. The market capitalization might have risen fundamentally continuously 2030. My expectation is that #Dogecoin will ultimately become coordinated with Twitter sooner rather than later here and there. This will consequently acquaint more than 200 million clients with #Dog, giving them motivation to involve it and enhancing the cryptographic money overall. It can't be disregarded the way that Dogecoin offers the upside of being a proper inflationary cash, which makes it inseparable from certifiable government-issued money. This special trademark permits Dogecoin clients not to store unmistakable resources and bank on greater liquidity since they effectively exchange and utilize their monetary forms. With large chunk of change driving the crypto market wave and improvements, Dogecoin's future might see a significant flood in its ongoing cost. The Dogecoin cost is supposed to hit new highs later on. Nonetheless, our venture guidance is that financial backers should be cautious while putting resources into image coins like Dogecoin. Will Dogecoin hit $1? As indicated by our cost expectation and investigating past execution, it seems to be the cost of Doge will take a piece longer to hit $1. Yet, the costs will cross the $1